Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi A3x smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, enter your pin and you can see wrong pin. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin entered. Please try again. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Press the volume up and power key together. Now tap on power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it and now release. And you can see no command. Now press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. So you can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Now the volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. So now here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see wiping data, and you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset it might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Redmi A3x smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest update.